Alright, here we've got a 25-foot 1020 head. It has a hydraulic fore naft on it. It's got good snouts, good endpoints. This was a very nice head, and the combine burnt that it was hooked to. So I'm going to show you on the back side something happened to it. We're going to unhook it here. And then, but right there I have some parts that go with it. There's a wiring harness. There's 2 new shaft covers, and then there's the hardware to get those shaft covers on. Fingers and everything look good. You can see it got hot back there on this left side. It did get into this cover a little bit, so there's 2 new shaft covers, and then there is a new wiring harness that you can see would need fish through there. Okay, we took it in on a tractor deal. Yeah, sitting there that the auger looks good. It did not get into that at all. Okay, there is some broken glass in there from the glass of the combine, but finger wise and all, I tell you what, it's a very straight head. The wiring harness thing comes right with it. I don't know why it wouldn't be functional with a little TLC, because you can just see it was mainly contained right here, and the broken glass is right there. You may need a couple lines. Okay, these lines probably got a little bit of heat. You're going to buy it absolutely on Tractor House Auction, 100 and 100, no print. And you are getting those parts with it, so if you guys send a trucker or something, remind us, we'll have those parts inside.